What's going on? Rob from myppctraining.com, and in today's video I'm going to answer a question that we get pretty much on a daily basis. It's just, how do I get my AdWords ad to just be at the top? I don't care about anything else. So today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so you want your ad to be #1 on Google search when you're running your AdWords ads. All right, not a big deal. We can do that. So first things first, let's log into your AdWords account. You'll see here we're logged into ours. What you're going to do is choose the campaign that you want, that you're working out of. So that for us, it's our campaign right here. Now we're going to go into the campaign. This will be your home page. So the key to having your ad be at the top of Google, and if this is all your main focus is, and there's nothing wrong with that. There's some people that just, maybe for branding purposes or whatever, they just always want to show #1. There's a few different options you have to do that. So the first option, I'm going to walk you through all of them, but the first one is going to be your manual bidding. So if you go under ad groups, we'll see what strategy we're using here. I think we're using auto bid for this, but I'm not sure, so just bear with me a moment. Come on, come on. There we go. All right, now we're using manual CPC, which is great. So basically what we're doing here is we're manual bidding, and we're hitting our max CPC here. So what position are we? Average position, sort by position, so we're 2.4. So we're right somewhere in the middle of the top. If you just want to be #1, you just have to bid higher. That's it. So what I would do is I would click this column, which is going to change the bids for all of my ad groups. Edit, change bids, and I would just jack the bids up to this one's good, but these rest are pretty competitive, so I would have to jack these up. This I probably wouldn't do much with, so I would uncheck that box because that's already #1. And I would jack the rest of these bids up to like $45, and then see, I'm not going to do it obviously because it's not the goal for this campaign, but that's what you would do. So I would jack it up $5 and see where that lands you, and give it like 24 hours, and then come back and see what your average position is. And if it's closer to 1.3, something like that, you're going to be directly where you want to be. So that's one way to do it, okay, just to jack your bids up. Another way to do it is actually a bid strategy. So what we're going to do is go into our settings. Remember, you're in your campaign. Go into settings. Go into bidding. Change bid strategy. And we're going to do target outranking share. So this could be, it sets bids to help you outrank another domain's ads. So find your #1 competitor, because a lot of people who just want to be at the top of Google, they're basically just, it's a branding thing, and they just want to be above their main competitor. So this is a great strategy. If you want to do that, you just come here and use this bid strategy, and you just drop the domain that you always want to outrank no matter what, and Google will make sure that it auto bids for you to always be above this person. You can even throw in a bid adjustment to, increase by 5% or whatever. You can do max bid limit. But if your main goal is just to be ahead of one other person, I would just use this one. So you drop the competitor's domain in here, and Google will make sure that you're always ahead of them. So that's the other way to do it. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's really easy to do. So like I said, you can either, no, we don't want to save that. So you can either manually upbid your ad groups, like our first method we just showed you right here. Remember, you check all the boxes, come here, edit, change bids, jack your bids up $5, $7, $8, something like that, and just see where you land. If you hit position 1, that's your goal. That worked. Or go into target outranking share bidding strategy. If you're just after one competitor and you want to always be ahead of that person, and you drop their domain there, and Google will make sure that you never lose to them. And that's it, guys. So if that answers your question, great. If not, let me know in the comments. If you have another question or anything like that, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, share it, and check out the links in the description. We've dropped a few for an ebook we have for how to optimize your AdWords campaigns, totally free, and a free Facebook group where we answer more in-depth questions and do more advanced videos. So other than that, I'll catch you guys in the next video.